Editing in DaVinci Resolve can be broken up into different tasks or different mind spaces. Cutting the video up into usable portions is one kind of mind space. Adding effects or changing audio is maybe another mental workspace. And luckily in DaVinci Resolve we can set up custom UI layouts that match those editing tasks. So for cutting up video into its usable sections, you might want a big timeline at the bottom with no other windows open. That's going to give you maximum screen real estate, so you're not going to have to be constantly scrolling backwards and forwards through the timeline, and it's also going to give you more space for the timeline window at the top. To create a custom UI layout, come up to the workspace menu, come down to Layout Presets and choose Save Layout as Preset. Give the layout a name, call it Cutting, and hit OK. The next task might involve adding effects or tweaking clip properties using the inspector. So for this job, we're normally going to want the effects open. You can click here to choose whether to have that as a smaller sidebar or a bigger sidebar. And we're probably going to want the inspector open. This allows us to quickly click on clips, drag effects to those clips, or change those clips properties. Let's go and add a second custom layout for this. We'll head to Workspace, Layout Presets, Save Layout as Preset, and we'll just call this Effects and hit OK. Now when we're cutting a clip, we can come to the Workspace menu, choose Layout Presets, choose Cutting, choose Load Preset, and now we get our nice big clutter-free screen. And then once we've cut our video up, we can come to the Workspace menu, come down to Layout Presets, choose Effects, choose Load Preset to switch over to the Effects preset layout. You can go one step further by coming up to DaVinci Resolve, coming to Keyboard Customization, and in the search bar, type Preset, come down here, expand Layout Presets, and you can assign your own custom keyboard shortcut to those presets. In this example, I've already created Alt numeric keypad number 1 and Alt numeric keypad number 2 to the first two presets. So if I hold down Alt on my keyboard and hit numeric keypad 1, we go to the cutting workspace. And if I hold down Alt and press number 2 on the numeric keypad, we get the cutting workspace. And this can save you so much time organizing all of your windows. And one quick last tip, if things get really messed up, come to the workspace menu and choose Reset UI Layout to go back to the default DaVinci Resolve layout.